Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. First video from the kitchen. We're going to make some homemade pasta sauce. You're going to need a large onion, 4 big cloves of garlic, a small to medium carrot, 2 big cans of tomatoes, and some thyme. I'm using dried thyme, but you can use fresh thyme if you have it. And then we'll get started here, chopping up the onion. And then you see I have a little bit more than 4 cloves of garlic because they were kind of small, but if you have big cloves of garlic you just need 4, and you slice them thin. And I just toss them all in the bowl together. The onions and the garlic, I toss them in the bowl together because they go into the pot together. So I just toss them in the bowl together, and then you take the carrot and you shred it because otherwise it would take forever for it to cook down. And then you add the thyme to that because you're gonna dump both of those in the pot at the same time. So I just put the thyme in the bowl with the carrots as well, so makes it easy on me. And you'll see that I'm kind of like grinding the thyme in my hand. That's some Rachel Ray trick, I think. Is what where I saw that, where she said you got to wake up the dried herbs. But anyway, you turn the pot to medium, get it nice and hot, and you add some oil. It's about 1/4 cup, just enough to coat the bottom of the pot, basically, is what you're trying to get at. And then you toss your onions and garlic in there, and you cook them until they are tender, a little translucent, and then that's about 10 minutes. And then after that, you dump in the carrots and the thyme, and you let that go for about another 5 minutes until the carrots are a little tender. And then you toss in your sauce and you get it going. I got this recipe from like Food Network or something like that. Yeah, I think it was Mario Batali. I know we can't say that name anymore, right? But I'm pretty sure that's where I got it from. But I've just been making it from memory over the years, and I just add my own little spice blend, which I'm actually going to show you in a second here, because once you get the tomatoes boiling in the pot, you turn it down to low and you just let it go for like 40 minutes until it gets nice and thick. But in the meantime, I have my little spice blend here of salt, garlic powder, onion powder, dried basil, and Italian seasoning. You can put whatever combo of those things you want in your pot, but that's what I like to put. And then you just flavor it the way you like. You put as much as you want. So once your sauce is thickened up, I use a what is that thing called? A stick blender? It's called something. I'm drawing a blank. But anyway, I just use that and blend it up because my husband doesn't like to eat like chunks of onion in the sauce, so I always blend it up. And then I season it, stir it up, and then you're gonna see at the end I actually added a little bit of sugar too, but that's just to kind of like break down the acidity of the tomatoes a little bit. I'm not really like sweetening the sauce. It's just enough to kind of counteract the acidity in the tomatoes. And then that's it.